What's up everyone, it's Paige, and today I'm going to be sharing another purple carrot unboxing as well as cooking video with you. Let's go ahead and get started. So let's get it started with the week of December 14th. Just want to point out, I've said in previous videos they don't really proofread their materials, and here you can see December spelled wrong, so that's fun. So the meals for this week are tofu, jambalaya, and we've got some cavatappi, so it should be a pretty good week. We also have a side of broccolini and kale. First item that I will be making is the tofu. And here is how the tofu dish turned out. It was pretty easy to make. The only thing I don't like is the recipes where you have to do cornstarch with the tofu. I just feel like it never turns out that great, but let's find out. So it's okay. I think the sauce could have been thicker, so I don't really know what I could have added, maybe a bit of flour, but it's all right. It's just not super flavorful. It's not spicy at all, so I'm probably gonna add some type of spice. And just the quinoa, everything is just pretty basic, so probably a 6 out of 10 for this one. Next up, I'll be making the jambalaya. All right, so here is the finished product, steaming hot. Pretty easy to make. It was all in one pot, so let's give it a go. Oh, I'm really impressed with this. It's really, really good. The tomato, the spice, everything, it's perfect. I can't say enough good things about it. And definitely the rice is cooked to perfection. So I'm really happy with that. Gets a 10 out of 10. Obviously you can make this recipe yourself easily because jambalaya is a very, very common dish. So thumbs up. And rounding out this video, I will be making the cavatappi. This is the amount of leftover pasta compared to the amount of leftover sauce. This is the amount of one portion. And then I'm still making the broccolini, which is not a ton, but the instructions were really bad and they didn't even say how to cook it, so I just popped it into here. So not bad at all. I was not sure how it would taste since it's basically just cauliflower and carrots with some sauce, but it's actually pretty good. The spice adds a nice kick. I also added a bit of Trader Joe's onion salt, so it's definitely kind of the chef's kiss. I recommend. All right, so that wraps up this week of purple carrot videos. Thanks so much to everyone who stopped by to watch. I would say overall it was somewhat underwhelming just because of the type of recipes, but they were still good, especially the jambalaya. That was definitely the cherry on the top this week. Thanks again for watching this video, and if you did like it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.